This leaf is African basil or clove basil. Botanical name Ocimum Gratissimum. It is known as scent leaf. Just I'm extracting it now. You will see the liquid, how it will come out. Yes, brownish. Now I have another leaf. This one is called blood leaf or blood of Jesus leaf. Botanical name is Justicia corneal. When the leaf is boiled in hot water, the resulting decoction turns crimson red, resembling blood. It depends on how the water is. The more the water, the more it changes color. But we can see that unlike other leaves, its color is different.